All right, so I'm having some problems with my GoPro Hero 11 Mini. It completely locks itself and becomes just a brick repeatedly for reasons I don't understand. And GoPro has asked, surprisingly to me, because it's terrible marketing, but they've asked that I actually film a video of how their product is defective and not working for the purposes of filing a warranty claim. So here you go, GoPro. All right, so this has a full charge. I know that because I've left it on the charger overnight. Normal operation, you're supposed to push the button on the top here and it just starts recording video. Voila. If that doesn't work, sometimes you have to hold this button down for 5 seconds or 10 seconds to reset it to get out of a deep freeze. This is also the power up button and pairing button. But let's try them both. So pushing the top button does not activate the camera. I'll push it again. Does not activate the camera as it's supposed to. 1, 2, 3, just for fun. Does not activate the camera. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just random number of clicks. That's not doing anything. Let's hold it down for 5 seconds. 1, 1000, 2, 1000, 3, 1000, 4, 1005. That does not start recording. Let's try it again. Let's do 10 seconds because this is online. They talk about 5 seconds and 10 seconds. Okay, 1, 1000, 2, 1000, 3, 1000, 4, 1000, 5, 1000, 6, 1000, 7, 1000, 8, 1000, 9, 1000, 10. Still does not record. It is a brick. Okay, now let's try the information button here. We'll click it once. Okay, that did not turn on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That did not turn on. 1, 2, 3. That did not turn on. Let's hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 1000, 2, 1000, 3, 1004, 1005. Did not turn on. 1, 1000, 2, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010. All right, GoPro, are you happy that this is a defective product and should have never shipped from the factory? Let me know if there's anything else you want by way of evidence that you've created a faulty product. I've missed a lot of wonderful moments with my son and little adventures, things we've taken trips for. I don't have a card in there right now, but that doesn't affect function. I took the card out because I was editing what little footage I was able to record. I'm assuming I'm going to get to send this back for warranty, repair, or replacement. Pushing both buttons, by the way. 2, 1000, 3, 1000, 4, 1000, 5, 1000, 6, 1000, 7, 1000, 8, 1000, 9, 1010. That doesn't do anything either. Okay? So you guys let me know if you need any other proof that you've got a defective product here. Thank you very much.